Son, there's no better time for tea than Christmas.
This year we're celebrating the taste, goodness and purpose in our teas 24 ways.
And here's how. This is our Advent calendar for Christmas 2024.
So what's your favorite tea?
Well, there's 24 days of tea inspiration here for Christmas, but Ceylon cinnamon for Christmas, if you must ask. And for when the Christmas spirit overflows, we've even got 24 recipes for the 24 days of Christmas. Christmas Ceylon cinnamon spiced tea eggnog. There's tea gastronomy, rosehip hibiscus infusion with hibiscus sorbet. Wow.
We craft our teas with love and passion, a partnership with nature.
Use good water and take a little care in brewing to enjoy the great taste, the incredible variety and the natural goodness in tea that we never compromise on.
And remember, every cup of tea offers serenity, invites friendship and conversation.
So please enjoy our Advent teas with friends, family and strangers to truly feel the spirit of Christmas.
Visit our Christmas market at dilmahtea.com for some tea inspiration this season.